Hello viewers, this video is about using shortcut key to draw line in MS Word or how to draw line in MS Word. So let's go to the tutorial. At first you need to create a Word document. I have already created a new Word document, and just I will type here dash 1 2 and 3 dash and just hit on the enter button, and let's see the magic. It's a straight line, and this line is thin. If you want to create a more thicker line, just press on your keyboard shift button and 3 times type underscore and just hit on the enter button, and this line is bold line than previous one. And now I will hit the star button, 3 star, and hit on the enter, and it's another new line. Now I will type equal 3 equal and hit on the enter button, and also press shift and hit 3 times hash. So those are the lines you can create easily by using your keyboard shortcut. Thanks for everyone. Goodbye.